Today I'm going to show you around one of my favorite streets in Northwest Portland. We are on Thurman. Thurman runs east to west. It is the T in the alphabet district, so in Northwest Portland, all of our streets are lined up alphabetically. We have Thurman, Upshur, and then Vaughan. Thurman has always had a special place for me and for the people of Portland because you have just such an ample amount of historical homes. You have Victorians, Craftsmans. The pride of ownership, just like the Lads Addition and Selwood neighborhoods, is unbelievable. People take really good care of their properties. What is so great about it as well is the whole street, the further up you go, the more residential it is. And it really is just an extension of Northwest 23rd. So right at the base of Thurman, you are now entering Northwest 23rd, which we will be doing an entirely different video on that because Northwest 23rd is worth an entire video in and of itself. Most of these videos where I'm doing neighborhood tours, there's gonna be minimal talking. We're gonna be doing 2 home tours off of Thurman. Both homes, we're actually gonna be going inside and doing an interior tour as well, so that's super exciting. And I'm gonna be showing you little vignettes on what makes this neighborhood so special. This is house tour 1. We are on 33rd Avenue, just off of Thurman, and this home is a spectacular historical home. And not only is it historical, it was built in 1913, but it has been completely updated. It's been stripped down to the studs, all new systems, totally revamped inside. And the cool thing about this house is I'm actually going to be taking us inside of this home. So please join me and follow me as we go and tour this magnificent 1913, completely renovated and updated Thurman gem. This beautifully reimagined 3-bedroom, 4-bath home spans just over 3,000 square feet and is offered at a little over $1.1 million. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel the perfect balance of historic charm and refined modern living. The light-filled living room is anchored by large picture windows, a wood-burning fireplace, and gorgeous engineered hardwood floors. The dining room is a total showstopper featuring Art Nouveau pattern accent wall and an elegant chandelier that sets the tone for every gathering. The kitchen is a gourmet dream. All new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and exquisite tile work make this space as functional as it is beautiful. Just off the main level, you'll also find a full bathroom for guests. Downstairs, the fully finished lower level is incredible. A massive bonus room that can double as an in-law suite, complete with its own full bath, designer laundry room, and the piece de resistance, a sleek custom wine cellar. This level even has its own private entrance. Upstairs, you'll find spacious bedrooms filled with light. The primary suite feels like a spa. Double vanity, walk-in shower, and a freestanding soaking tub you'll never want to leave. There's another full bathroom off the hall, and the third bedroom hides a charming secret staircase that leads up to a fully finished attic, the perfect spot for a home gym, playroom, or creative studio. A cozy mudroom with built-in coat hooks leads out to the backyard, a rare find in Northwest Portland with over 5,000 square feet of land. The garden is lush and private with a large deck and seating area, ideal for summer evenings or weekend entertaining. For more information, just scan the QR code on your screen or call or text me directly at 503-597-8660. I'd love to give you a private tour of this incredible home. So I am going to interrupt our moment of zen. I don't even have my mic on right now because we are coming upon the witch's house. That is what this structure here in Forest Park has been coined. So it was originally built in the 20s as a storage house and I believe a shelter for park rangers. But there was a horrific storm in the 60s here in Forest Park and it's just been vacant since. And so when you see it, you're going to understand why people love it, people fear it. There's a lot of urban legend and folklore around the witch's house. Some people have claimed missing time. Some people have claimed seeing spirits. All of that to say that it's a really cool structure and I'm going to turn around. There are some people on it, but I'm going to film it anyway. So enjoy the witch's house. Yesterday, I came to film this house just to do an exterior tour like I have been doing in the past few videos, putting up the QR code, asking you if you want to see inside. But upon coming here and getting video of the exterior of the home, I fell in love with it. I knew that I had to do an interior tour of the house, take you guys with me, because this historic bungalow is everything that I love about Portland, that I love about the Willamette Hills and this area of town. The pride of ownership, the remodel, the updates, everything is phenomenal. So this home is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's listed at $812,000. It has an ADU in the back. You're on a great piece of property. You have a sizable lot, especially for the area. I mean, we are right off of Thurman. The basement has been finished. There's a bedroom down there. There's also a full bath down there with a shower. Perfect for family, perfect for anyone that's visiting or short-term stay. This house is great. I can't wait to show you inside. Let's go take a look. This is a classic Portland bungalow with the right mix of character and updates. You walk into a bright living room with hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, and that early 1900s warmth that makes these homes feel so good. The kitchen has been fully remodeled with vaulted ceilings, skylights, and stainless appliances, and a built-in breakfast nook that makes the space feel open and inviting. On the main level, there are 2 bedrooms with good light and storage, plus a remodeled hall bath. I love that the updates here feel timeless, clean, and easy to make your own. The lower level is finished and adds a lot of flexibility. A 3rd bedroom, another full bath, laundry, and plenty of storage. Outside, there's a private fenced yard with a deck and mature landscaping. And then there's the detached ADU, which is such a bonus. It has vaulted beamed ceilings, big windows and skylights, a great space for a studio, guest room, or office. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, about 1,800 square feet, and one of the best pockets of Northwest Portland. Isn't this home a delight? I love it. If you're interested in taking a tour of this home, please contact me at 503-597-8660. You can call or text me anytime. I would love to show you this beautiful, lovingly cared for, historic Portland bungalow.